3 years, 6 layers, one question. How long have you been waiting?
For you specifically, 3 years. For someone like you, 80,000.
AI movies are about to change forever because until now, every AI video tool could only generate random clips. If you wanted to make a real short film or a drama series, you still had to write the script, create characters, keep them consistent, edit every scene, and somehow stitch everything together yourself. It was slow, and honestly, pretty frustrating. But this new tool changes that. It's called Topview Drama Studio, and instead of creating one AI clip at a time, it helps you build an entire drama series from a single idea. Just give it a prompt, an outline, or even your full script, and it can create consistent characters, cinematic scenes, dialogue, voice, and complete episodes, all inside one workflow. It basically feels like having your own AI film studio. No production crew, no expensive equipment, no complicated editing, just your imagination and AI doing the heavy lifting. So let me show you how I created this entire AI drama step by step. Head over to Topview AI, and on the homepage, you'll find Drama Studio. But before we start, one quick thing. Seedance 2.5 is expected to launch very soon, and Topview is already promoting it on the homepage. I've already covered everything about Seedance 2.5 in another video on my channel, so definitely check that out after this one. Apart from Drama Studio, you can also create UGC ads, AI short films, clone videos, AI images, and use almost every top image and video model available today. But today, we're focusing on Drama Studio. Click on Drama Studio from the left menu. This is where you can create complete web series episodes instead of generating random clips. You'll also find sample projects here that you can explore to understand how everything works. Now simply describe the type of story you want, or paste your own story, and the AI will guide you through the entire filmmaking process. It writes the script, creates the characters, designs the environments, generates the storyboard, and finally produces the videos step by step. For this demo, I'm using a simple prompt that tells the AI how I want it to follow my structure. Then I selected a professional writer. You can create either a single episode or an entire series. I'll choose a full series. Next, I uploaded one of my production files that already contains the story I generated using AI. Then I clicked Generate. Now we're inside the main workspace, where you basically direct the AI like a real production team. The first thing it asks is your art style. Choose whichever style matches your story, and if you don't find the one you want, simply choose Custom and describe it yourself. Next, select your aspect ratio, episode duration, language, and click Confirm. Now the AI starts analyzing the entire production file. It reads the story, understands the structure, and even tells you what it can improve before generating anything. Then it asks what you'd like to do next. I selected the recommended option to extract the complete scene outline and beat sheet for video production. After that, it asks how you want to adapt your production Bible. You can keep everything exactly the same, fit it into shorter episodes, or let AI optimize the pacing, dialogue, and dramatic moments. I chose AI optimization because I wanted the story to feel more cinematic. Now watch what happens. At the top, you can actually see the whole production pipeline. Settings, outline, characters, environments, props. Everything is generated step by step. Then it creates the episode script. If you don't like anything, you can edit it directly from the right panel before moving forward. For my project, Episode 1 is called The First Signal, and Episode 2 continues the alien story I uploaded. Once the outline was finished, it asked me what to generate next. I selected the recommended option again, which creates the character cards, creature designs, location cards, and beat sheets together. Now it's time to generate environments. From the right panel, you can even switch image models if you want. I kept GPT Image 2 because the quality is honestly one of the best right now. Then I generated all the environments. Next came the character generation. If you already have your own characters, simply upload them. Otherwise, let the AI generate everything automatically. And this is something I really like. Notice that throughout this entire workflow, I never had to write complicated prompts. I'm simply giving directions like I'm talking to a real production team, and the AI handles the technical work for me.
The generated characters looked incredibly realistic. The alien designs were also surprisingly good, and the environments matched the story perfectly. Then the AI noticed something interesting. It detected that my production Bible was around 12 minutes long, while episode 1 was set to around 270 seconds. It automatically warned me about the timing and suggested different options. I decided to keep episode 1 at 270 seconds. Then it generated a complete scene breakdown with all the beats needed for production. Now we're finally ready to create the actual video. Select Video Production for episode 1. Here you can choose the video model, quality settings, and whether you want sound enabled. You'll notice two options: Generate Storyboard or Generate Video. I always recommend generating the storyboard first. That way you can quickly review every shot before spending credits on video generation. After a few moments, the storyboard is ready. Honestly, it already looks like a real movie. If you want to adjust anything, you can edit the images before moving forward. Once everything looks good, click Add to Reference. Now simply click Generate Video, and after a little wait, here are the results. They look really impressive. Now repeat the same process for scene 2 and all the remaining scenes. One feature I really recommend turning on is Continue Scene. It helps maintain much better continuity between shots. And if you ever want to edit a prompt or reference an existing character or environment, simply type the @ symbol. It instantly shows every image and video you've already generated, making consistency incredibly easy. Once every scene is finished, it's time to export. Click Export in the top right corner. You can either merge everything into one complete episode or export every scene separately. Click Start Export, and that's it. Your AI web series is ready. Honestly, it's crazy how far AI storytelling has come. What used to take an entire production team can now be done by a single creator with the right idea. Let me know in the comments what kind of web series you'd create with this.